Alright guys, welcome back to Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we are going to review these lawn blade sharpeners that you can put on the end of your drill. And you know, they're angled just right or whatever. I'm gonna see how they work out. And you know, if they don't work good, I'll just hit it with the grinder. But these are Grizzly Lawn Gear. I got them off Amazon. But let's see here. And the blades are gonna, ones we're gonna sharpen are gonna be the ones on my Gravely. So let's see. Kind of hard to hold the camera at the same time. That's what they are. So this is a flat edge where the blue is, and then the actual grinding stone is beveled. So I just want to see how these work. You know, they weren't too expensive, and I don't have to take the blades off the mower. It'd be great. So let's go and see if I can get this mower high enough that I can put my drill underneath of it. So I'm gonna have to probably lift it up a little bit, block it, and then jack it up some more. We'll see if I can get that done. But I'll go ahead and get this thing jacked up, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, I got it all jacked up. Got wood blocks under and the jack. All the weight's on the wood blocks, but it should move. So I'm gonna see if I can get the drill up under here, sharpen these blades. We'll start with this one. We'll just see if this thing works. So let me get my drill hooked up and check this thing out. Well, it is working, but I don't think the drill can turn them fast enough. But I mean, it is shaving it down. Let's see if you guys can see that up close. But I'll just keep going with it and see if I can get it to clean all that off, and we'll move on. Actually, that did a pretty good job. Yeah, they're sharp. So let's move on to this one. Oh shoot. This one isn't too bad, but I'm gonna hit it anyhow. So let's hit this one. All right, well, that looks good. So we got 2 more blades, and then we'll give her a real quick run. It's a little too wet right now to mow my entire yard, so I won't really get a full effect on how long the blades will last, but they're gonna be a lot sharper than they were. So let's go ahead and get the other 2 sharpened, and I'll tell you if I like this thing or not. All right, still leaving some grass up. Like this here. So all in all, looking at this, I mean, it's mowing a little better. But I'd say just for maybe a maintenance sharpen, a quick sharpen, they're okay. But if you want to get your angle ground right, you're gonna have to take them off and use a normal grinder. So, but for something quick, you don't have to take your blades off and go through that hassle. I would recommend them. They're not too expensive. I think they'd work better if they were higher speed and they didn't have that like hard rubber guide underneath of it, because once that gets hot, that's why it was bouncing so much. So I don't know. I mean, like I said, if you put it on a high-speed drill, maybe it might work better than having them on a cordless drill, because that's the highest speed that thing's got. So I guess in a pinch, I would use them. I'll have to take my blades off this winter or this fall and get them recut, and probably just get another set of blades so I have an extra set. I know a lot of people do that, but for something quick, they're useful. All right, guys, this is a quick video. I just wanted to show you those, but I'll catch you guys on the next one.